Hi guys, so this is Deepika. Hope you're doing good. Be safe. And so today's video, what I'm gonna share with you is about my morning skincare routine. So morning skincare routine is very simple for me since I'm working from home. So I'm gonna keep it very simple. So what I did is I washed my face with the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. So I'll display the picture here. So and also attach the description below. So this is what I'm using for my cleansing. So this one is a very mild cleanser. If you're wearing makeup, if you want to wash it in night, if you're wearing makeup, you have to cleanse it twice. It is very good actually. If you go into a dermatologist also, they'll actually recommend this for you. So this is what I'm using. And the next, after I cleanse my face, what I used to do is I used to tone it with some toner. So the toner which I was using is from L'Oreal Paris. So now it got over, so I'm using this one from Ordinary. It has glycolic acid, so it is very good as a toner, glycolic acid. So I'm just going to take few drops. This much is actually enough. Oops. So I'm just going to take 2 drops and rub it slightly. So it helps in hyperpigmentation, fights acne, brightens your skin, gives smooth complexion, and also it hydrates your dry skin. I'm just going to let it dry for a few seconds. So after it's dried up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply moisturizer. It's from Neutrogena Hydro Boost. It is a water-based moisturizer. It is very good for oily skin and it absorbs very quick. So that's why I'm using, because previous moisturizer which I've used are very liquidy. Very heavy. So it makes me darker. So makes me look darker. So finally I found this Neutrogena one. It's very nice. So that's it got absorbed. Yep. So before that, my lips are getting very dry, so I'm gonna apply my lip balm first. It's from Naturals. I got this from Watson, which is in Singapore, but you can get it, you can use any lip balm. So I'm just gonna apply it. And I'm not sure, is it because of the climate my lips are getting very dry, so for me lip balm is a very must nowadays. So then the last step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply some sunscreen. So sunscreen is really important if you're stepping out or not. You have to apply sunscreen. So if you're stepping out, make sure you apply good amount. If you're at home, you can apply a decent amount, not too heavy. So I'm applying it because I'm working from home and I'm going to use my laptop the whole day. So even if you're not using also, you should apply. It's very good and it's also protects you from anti-aging. And yeah, so the one I'm using is also from Neutrogena. It is Ultra Sheet Dry Touch Sunblock. It has 50 plus SPF. So this one also I discovered recently. It is very light and it absorbs very quickly. I am in the dark side, so whenever I apply any sunscreen, it makes me even darker. So finally I found this one. This one doesn't do that actually. So I'm just going to take this much amount. This much is itself, it's good enough actually. So yeah. I'm not going to rub it. I'm just going to tap it. Don't leave your neck area. Then after tapping for some time, then you can just rub it slightly. So yeah, that's it. My morning skincare is done. So I just apply some lipstick if I need. If I'm having any video call or something like that, so I'll just apply some lipstick, light mild lipstick, and some mascara. So these are my 2 go-to makeups, so I used to wear those 2, and that's it for my morning routine. So I'll see you in the next video. Hope you like this. Please share, subscribe, and thank you guys. Be safe. Bye.